This is how you can block spam calls on your iPhone. So this is what we do. We open up the settings, and on the main section, we need to go to the bottom of the page so we can find apps. And from this alphabetical order of app menus, just go to the phone. So you can scroll and find it like this. And in here, we want to find the call filtering section. So in here below, you should find the section in there. So we have call filtering, and there is the unknown callers. And once you enable it like this, you basically make sure that the calls from unknown numbers will be moved to the unknown callers list. So you kind of like filter it and put it into different section within the phone app. But also above that, we have the screening of unknown callers. And if you have it set to never, that means nothing really happens. But below, you can see the ask reason for calling, which is interesting feature in and of itself. Before you actually like pick up the call, you will be able to see the written message on the screen about like the call and what they want from you really. And you also have the silence, and a silence is the option which a lot of people like, because calls from unsaved numbers will be silent, meaning they will not even ring, and they will appear in the phone app, but we also applied the filtering in here, so they will be put in a different section entirely. So that's what a lot of people do. That's how you can use it as well. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to Foxtecc, and I'll see you later.